to today's episode of Angel's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to make a fire-breathing dragon out of toilet paper rolls, of course. When you come to the library, you're gonna get a kit and you're gonna get all the items that you need. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need your toilet paper roll, which you'll find in your kit. You're gonna need some glue and you're gonna need scissors. You're going to take your big green sheet of paper. You're going to wrap around. You see how I'm going about 3/4 of the way? Wrap it around, and that is what you'll glue. Now, once you glue it down, press it down really tight, and then you can wrap it under. And that's what you do all the way around, all nice and tucked in there. So the next step, you're gonna take your light green piece of paper, and this is where you're going to do the top part. You're gonna have it overlap. See, I make it nice and straight line. Again, it's not a problem if you don't do that, it's more than fine. Pull out your piece that looks like this. You're gonna take that, you're gonna cut that out. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna glue that down right on top of the little green section. In your kit, you're gonna pull out this is the face of the dragon. So you're gonna go ahead and cut this out with scissors, and it will look like that. Now, before we adhere that to this, you get to color it. So you can use a marker, you can use crayons, you can use colored pencils, whatever you wanna do. I used black, you do not have to use black. This is what we're modeling after, so this is the way I did it. You don't have to do it that way. To attach this, you don't need glue here on any of this point, but you need glue from here down. So glue this heavily, because it's gonna take a little bit of pressure to get it to withstand on the tube, so you wanna be very generous in your gluing. All right, so now we get to do the face. Now, you're gonna see in your kit several little pieces of paper with ovals or circles drawn out on them. You're gonna take the black one with the largest ovals. That's the first one you're gonna do. So it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna cut them out so that it looks like that. And you're gonna have 2 of them. You're gonna set your fire-breathing dragon aside, and let's build the eye. So the black oval is the bottom layer. Then you're gonna see in your kit you have white ovals to cut out. Then you're gonna do the same thing with the red. And so this one, you wanna take the smaller of the circles and you wanna cut those ones out. Now, we have 2 eyes. We're gonna take it back to our fire-breathing dragon. We're gonna give our dragon some eyes, and we're gonna glue it right to the upper green section. Okay, so there's one. Now, nostrils. Our dragon is complete. If he doesn't have nostrils, he's gotta be able to breathe. So you have 2 little black circles, the last ones that you have to cut out. So this is what it looks like. Once you cut them, you're gonna go ahead and glue them right to the green part. Voila, we have a face. Yay! Now you're gonna take your crepe paper. You have red, yellow, and orange. You have a piece of black that you get in your kit, but you're gonna keep that to the side because we're not ready for that yet. But you're gonna go in through the bottom of the tube. Push it all up in there, okay? Now, you can reach in here and you can pull it out with your fingers. Pull all 3 pieces up. Just a little bit, don't pull too much, because the goal is to get it up enough to where we can put some glue on it. Want it to have a little bit of flame there. This is not gonna show in just a second. I'm only doing this so that I can put a little bit of glue on these. So I'm just gonna put a little glue down. Now you can glue first if that's easier for you, and you can go one at a time. Do the red, do the yellow, do the orange, and glue and press down each one at a time. I'm gonna do it together to where they end up gluing to each other. Then I'm taking the whole thing, push it back down a little bit to where you get your ends at the top here, and then you're just gonna put a little bit of glue on the tube itself, on the inside of the tube. Take your black crepe paper, and this is going to go around this. Okay, so this section right here is all gonna be covered soon. So this little black piece, you're gonna take your glue stick. You're going to glue a line on one side. Then you're going to come inside. Now the glue is sticking to the yellow and orange and red crepe paper. It's sticking to the green construction paper. You're gluing it to the tube. Isn't he cute? So these are little triangles. These little triangles, you could just do with a little piece of paper and stick a triangle up, glue it down, and you could be done very easily. However, we decided we wanted to do a little bit of origami. So this is what it's going to look like when we get done. In your kit, you're getting 2 of these. I want you to make it to where the point is towards you. You're gonna start on the left side and you're gonna roll it in. So if this is pointing towards you, grab this piece, fold it on the line, and press it down, okay? And make sure, in origami, you wanna really flatten your edges. That's what makes it work, okay? So you see how I made it nice and right along the line. You wanna be pretty precise on that. There's not a whole lot of room for error here. So you wanna do that. Now it should look like this. Then again, you're gonna do it again. You're gonna fold and you're gonna hit that line and you're gonna be pretty precise, okay? So you're folding. Now you've made 2 folds, 1 and 2. See my line there? Nice and tight. It's folded right on that line. This one folded right on that line, okay? Kind of tricky, but we're getting there. We're gonna continue to come around and we're gonna fold this one again. So now you have another fold. This is your 3rd fold. Again, press it tight. Really score your line there. At this point, you're looking like this. So if you take that 1, 2, 3 and fold it, roll it, this is what you should look like. To make that stay, you're gonna need to glue that. So open that up, that very edge. You're gonna glue the outside of the first one to the 4th one, like that, okay? Let me do that real quick. So at this point, you should look like this. So you've got a triangle, a 3-dimensional triangle on the top. You've got 1, 2, 3 triangles on the bottom. Okay, this center triangle is going to meet up with the bottom, with the whole 3D triangle. You're gonna glue each one of these and you're gonna fold that up into the triangle. Glue there, okay. Now, you take that and you're gonna fold that up and you're gonna fold that up. So be gentle, but try to be firm. You're gonna glue the bottom of the triangle like that. And you're gonna come along, decide where you wanna put it, and press. This is a very delicate thing, so you can't press hard, but you do need to try to press firm and hold. I would just definitely recommend holding for quite some time. It doesn't stay right off the bat. And once you get it to hold in place, then you can set it down gently. and make your next one and repeat until you're looking like that. To give our flames a little bit more flair to them, so you can use your scissors and you can come along and cut them. I have cut these kind of like ribbon tails, so I'm just making a little bit of a tail here. You don't have to do it exactly the same as I do it. You can do it a little bit different. I'm just making a triangle out of mine to make them look like a ribbon. And there you have a fire-breathing dragon. He's got his flames, he's got his scales, he's got his little horn right there. He's got his eyeballs and his nose, his nostril. Lots of fun we've had with a fire-breathing dragon. All right, well that completes today's episode of Angel's Crafting Corner. Hopefully you've had as much fun making your fire-breathing dragon as I have had. I want to give a shout out to the Friends of the Library for all their contributions to our kits. And remember, all of our kits are made here at the library, at the main library. So come by and get those, and we'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.